Welcome back guys to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use your Android as a USB Wi-Fi adapter. So some people that build new PCs, they don't buy the USB Wi-Fi adapter. So that means that they can't use internet on the new PC to set up Windows and stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to use your mobile phone or smartphone with your PC to use it as Wi-Fi. So just make sure you connect your make sure you connect your Android phone with your PC using a micro USB or whatever USB you have. And yeah, let's get right there right about now. Alright guys, so I've connected my phone to my PC with a micro USB cable. So what you want to do now is that you need to go to tethering, and it should say USB connected under USB tethering. It says that for my phone. I don't know about you guys, but once you've done that, press it, and it should vibrate or do something to your phone. And so it says it's connected, and I'll just show you guys on my PC right now. It says local area connection. Connected. That means if the computer thinks it's connected to an Ethernet cable, but it's actually my USB with my phone. So this is a really easy way if you want to do something, but you don't have a Wi-Fi adapter. If you have a dock on your desk, you can just use that to connect it. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, that's it, and bye.